Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, has asked staff of the Commission to brace up for more tasks as 2024 is a year for radical service delivery. During the first meeting of the year between management and staff at the Commission's corporate headquarters in Port Harcourt, Dr. Ogbuku said better part of 2023 was spent on preparations. Hence, it is now time to roll up their sleeves and get to work.
Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, along with his management team, held a meeting with staff of the Commission to chart the course for 2024, as well as keep them abreast of the decisions reached at the board and management meeting held earlier in the year. At the meeting, Dr. Ogbuku informed the staff that 2024 would be for intense action on project executions. He therefore charged them to gear up for more tasks ahead.
In the year 2024, I believe much is expected of us. And as much is expected of us, every staff must also gear up towards that challenge. I know everybody here in this house is competent enough and capable to face the challenges that are being expected of us.
Better part of 2023 saw the NDDC reforming itself. Some of the significant reforms include signing an agreement with KPMG, a global corporate management organization, to retool the Commission's internal processes. Also, the inauguration of a public-private partnership committee to drive the agency's renewed partnership policy, an initiative that has led to the signing of partnership deals with organizations such as Shell, NLNG, and Chevron, among others. Dr. Ogbuku said those reformative policies and engagements would set the tone for this year.
The time for talking is over. It is now the time for action. Policies are not what people want to see. The people have appreciated our policies. The policies have given them hope that yes, there is a direction. Yes, we have a new lease in NDDC. But in the year 2024, I believe the people want to see results.
For their part, the NDDC executive directors commended staff of the agency for their positive attitude to work in 2023 and enjoined them to maintain same spirit this year.
The staff of NDDC, you've been awesome. I want to encourage us, all of us, to continue in that spirit.
The NDDC management also promised to improve staff welfare and working conditions, believing that it will boost their morale to work and ultimately their productivity.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,